I've tested hundreds of ChatGPT prompts, and in this video, I'm excited to share the 6 best copywriting prompts for beginners. These prompts are perfect for researching and understanding your target audience, writing sales pages, emails, and blog posts, and getting feedback on your copy, plus much more. So it's time to stop fearing AI replacing copywriters and instead learn to use it to enhance your copywriting skills and productivity. Because it's not ChatGPT that you should fear, but other writers who know how to use it. Just like a chef who needs the right ingredients to make a tasty meal, writers who know how to use ChatGPT can get their work done faster and easier. If you give a chef enough of the right ingredients to cook with, then they'll make a delicious meal. But if they don't have enough ingredients, then they won't be able to create a great dish. And it's the same with ChatGPT. If you give it quality information or input, it will be able to create quality copy. But if you give it bad information or not enough information, then the output won't be very good. Which brings us to the first ChatGPT prompt: researching your target audience. So one of the most important things you can do before getting ChatGPT to write anything for you is to help it understand who your target audience is. That way, it will write copy that resonates with your audience, as opposed to vague content that appeals to no one. To help ChatGPT understand your audience, use this prompt. Please help me define my target audience. Ask me any questions necessary to fully understand who they are and what my business offers. ChatGPT will then ask you a series of questions, and your answers will help it to understand your audience better. Once GPT has a clear understanding of your audience, it's ready to write copy that resonates with their problems, desires, and motivations. Now, let's move on to the second copywriting prompt, which I call the best ChatGPT prompt. One of the most effective ways to get the most out of ChatGPT is by giving it specific prompts. And that's because a well-defined prompt ensures that the AI understands exactly what you're looking for, leading to a much better quality output. So here is my favorite prompt that can be used to generate almost any type of copy. Write a word type of copy, Facebook ad, blog post, sales page, etc., about product or service for target audience using a tone of voice. The goal of the copy is to desired outcome: inform, persuade, sell, etc. Make sure to highlight key points or features to include. Now, what do you do if ChatGPT writes copy that doesn't sound like you? Prompt number 3 can help by matching your tone of voice and writing style. Because one of the biggest complaints about ChatGPT is that it often writes in a robotic tone of voice. It doesn't generate copy that sounds anything like us, and so we end up rewriting it completely. So how can we get GPT to match our tone of voice and writing style, or our client's tone of voice and writing style? Well, believe it or not, there's a prompt for that. First, we need to provide GPT with a sample piece of content that reflects your typical writing or communication style. This could be a previous email, a blog post, a social media post, or any other type of written content that you believe captures the personality, tone, and style of writing. Once you've found that, you then want to use this prompt. I would like you to analyze the following piece of content and let me know what the specific tone of voice and writing style being used is. And then you paste in that content. GPT will then analyze your tone of voice, writing style, and even provide a report on what your writing sounds like. Kind of weird, but kind of cool, right? Now, you can ask GPT to write anything using your unique tone of voice. Here's the prompt for doing that. Using the same tone and writing style, write a length, i.e. 200 word, copy type, i.e. blog post, about a product, service, or topic. And there you have it, compelling copy written in your specific tone of voice and writing style. Now, let's move on to prompt number 4, copywriting formulas. If you're a copywriting beginner, then you may not be aware of all of the different copywriting formulas that exist. Luckily, ChatGPT knows them well. So the first prompt you're going to use is make a list of all of the most popular copywriting formulas used by top copywriters, such as Ada and Paz. And within seconds, GPT has generated a list of all of the formulas. Now, we can use a more detailed prompt to put these copywriting formulas to the test. Write a word copy type that sells my product or service to my target audience using copywriting formula, number, and using a tone of voice, i.e. conversational. Prompt number 5 is about editing and proofreading your existing copy. So you can ask ChatGPT to edit and improve your copy to make it shorter, longer, or change the tone of voice to be more formal, conversational, or professional. And here is the prompt I recommend you use. Can you help modify my copy? I need it to be shortened, lengthened, or tone adjusted. It's currently describe the current state, for example, too lengthy, too formal, etc. Please adjust it to be provide desired outcome. Example, more concise, more casual. Here's the content. And then you insert the existing content. And finally, prompt number 6 is one of my favorites. Get feedback from a copywriting expert. Amazingly, you can ask GPT to adopt the role of a copywriting expert and have a review and provide feedback on how to improve your copy. And here is a prompt that you can use to do that. You are a copywriting expert. I need your expert insights to improve my copy. Could you analyze it for clarity, tone, structure, and call to action? I'd appreciate your insights on enhancing engagement and persuasiveness. So if you're as passionate about copywriting as I am, I invite you to join me inside Copy Academy. It's my private community where like-minded copywriters gather to share their work and get feedback from other copywriters. And you can get all the details by going to startcopywriting.com/Copy Academy or by clicking on the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.